One question we get asked a lot of times at Sport Horizon is how can I create a season column? Let's take an example here that you have a match report. We have created some ranks depending on historical data, and you might want it to have a filter that says season and then match date, so you don't have to scroll through a lot of different dates across here. And we're going to show you how to create that. If you come to the table view, we try to find the table that we're looking to create this column in, and I would like to do it in the team game data. We just need to identify what's the name of the column that we want to take the information from, and that's called session date. If we then just select new column, and we can call this one season, we can jump down, hold Control Shift, and then we will going to use the switch function in order to do that, and we apply just a true to say when this is correct, then have a look for the following. And essentially what we need to do is almost like an if statement. If this case occur, then write the season of 2020, 2021, and if this occur, then the next season. So what we're going to do now is just to have a look at the session date. So if the session date is smaller than or equal to the date that we decide. So let's say that we put 2020, we say the July 1st. So if the column date is higher than this one, and it is also the session date is smaller than or equal to the date of 2021 June 30. Well, in that case, which result do we want? Well, we want it to say the 2020-2021 season. We can hit another comma, we can jump on another line, and we can just copy and paste all of this, put it down here. We modify this one to 21 and 22. We jump another line, and we also just need to modify this one quickly, 21, 22. We say 22, 23, and then here 22 and 23. And let's say we don't create any more, we just say the next one. Okay, in this case, if it doesn't fit any of those, then unknown, don't really know what season it is. We can close this and we can hit enter. And what you get then, and what seems to be correct here, is that we get a bunch of different seasons. At the moment, based on this data, we have two different seasons, 21, 22 and 22, 23. If you just filter by this one that seems to have just one single entry, let's have a look at the date here. It might be an early preseason game, so we might need to adjust the settings. So you can see June 28 in 2022. So that just falls within that season there. We might need to modify the dates and the sort of thresholds. It's up to you, depending on the season. Some have a calendar season, some have international season. It all depends. The main thing here was just to show you how you, based on the date, can assign a season in a different column. Hope you found this video useful. If you did like it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure that we create more content for you. See you soon.